कॉलेज का ब्रेक 12 to 2 PM के बीच में. So that's it. And this one, quick serve and approach. Like at the peak hours, अगर
next question. It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so in quick serve approach, we will all be working. Like we both will be assisting her and doing marketing at the same time. But if in peak hours, if customers gets crowded or stall gets crowded, so what we'll be doing, we will also be working. Okay, and then optimizing stuff. We will increase our speed and ensure, but we will ensure the quality. So the costing will be, as you can see, for the Blue Lagoon syrup it costs 900. For mint syrup it's 600. Sprite, we are using Sprite instead of soda for 480, and Bisleri bottle, which will also be giving quality as I told you. So 160, and lemon 100, mint 100, glass straws 440, ice and box we will be needing. So 300, and for advertisement 500. So our total need is 3,580.
And what is that you planning? What is your target to achieve by spending 3,580?
150, sir. Quantity we are keeping it 150
into 80, right?
Yes,
which is
150 80. So we will get the profit of 8,400. Can you change the slide? Okay.
profit of 4,400.
8,420 rupees minus by substituting your investment also, because we have to give it to you back now. So the cost will be 8,400 if all 150 glass are sold. But you might think कि 150 नहीं हो रहा है,
50 भी हुआ तो भी
50 भी हुआ तो भी प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, 100 भी हुआ तो भी प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, मीन्स इट इज प्रॉफिटेबल.
Thanks for the soda though.
Yes,
Much
I
needed
did.
at this point. Much needed at this point in time. This is good. So do you really need that kind of processing at that point of time? Can you not keep it ready and sell it? Because you took like a 5
that will
minutes.
affect the taste now.
exactly.
It will affect the taste.
You are just using the bottle there. You can keep it ready made, right? You can add the lemons and mint.
No, the remaining stuff they want to take it back home. So for like the inventory part, they are talking about the inventory part. For 10 glasses of the products, you can keep it ready. You can do it like that.
Yeah, we can, at that time we can keep it ready like minimum, but then we have to do that itself.
We can keep the mixture ready. Just we will add some ice in it just to sell it cheap.
But to give premium experience, we will be like giving at that time.
When you are calling it a premium experience, JW है Marriott, वहाँ पे 150 रुपए का चाय मिलता है. उसके सामने एक ठेला है 10 रुपए का चाय बेचता है. Why is he the direct competitor of JW? Because why JW is selling it at premium, not चाय वो premium नहीं बेच रहा है, वो experience premium बेच रहा है.
So आपका taste you are saying premium है? What is premium in the drink? What do you think is premium in the drink? Is that taste?
The syrups.
Syrups.
Syrup
The ingredients that they are talking about. Syrups, the ingredients they are talking about.
We are talking about ingredients here,
Okay.
and it's really costing. If you see in the market that
It is not, मतलब cost का नहीं है. वो कैसा है, मोहितो अगर बाहर भी जाके पीना है ना, they actually make the mojito on ground. कि जो bartender है वो बनाता है खुद से, इसलिए that is the reason he is charging, because expertise है उसका कुछ तो. उसने 150-200 मोहितो बनाया with natural ingredients, not this.
So has anybody done any course in like making
Like
mojitos?
I have not done any course, but I tried
she
this
has
mixture before.
experience.
Yeah, I have not
natural things. This is from a bottle. You get the bottle, you add the water, and add other stuff, and you sell it. That is okay. That is similar to trading. But where your real expertise comes when you actually prepare the drink by all natural ingredients. That is the premium experience which you get outside. That is the reason they are charging that much.
Okay, can you go back to the previous slide? The investment slide. So Blue Lagoon syrup 900 per liter. The cost of this, what is the packaging? 1 liter or what? 750 ml. How much you will be able to produce in that one bottle?
So that distillery 168 means 8 liters of distillery, and Sprite is 480. I think mostly 4 or 3 liters of 3 liters.
3 to 4 liters.
3 plus 8 is 11. 12 liters we can consume.
So what is your cost price of one glass? Whatever you are making.
80 rupees.
80 rupees.
No, that is your selling price.
It's for 30
That
rupees.
is your selling.
So you are making 50 rupees per glass.
Yes.
How many glasses of the product can you make out of this?
150, sir, I told you. 150 is the quantity.
150 quantity you can produce
Yes,
in
with
this
this.
much. Okay. What else?
You can go.
Fine.